There's no birdie there, Bobo. No birdie. No birdie. Oh no. The air purifier's on. There's no birdie in there. No birdie. It's slippery up there. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. What did she think? What do you think, Kobe? I don't know. I might have to get in and examine further. He doesn't get it. I swear there was a bird in here once. I saw him with my own eyes. He was running around the drawer. I'll never get over that. Bobo could sit there and talk for hours and look inside. Okay, air purifier said to you. Bobby, Bobby, Bobo. Opie, Opie bird. See, it's just like this endless fascination.